Good morning, dear students. Namaste. This is online classes. We are in the chapter sequences, and the exercise is 9.3. Already we solved some problems. That is 23 problems. We solved the 24th. Four problems. These are important as well as a lengthy problem. So only four problems I am now solving. So here the 24th problem. You open your textbook and you see there. Show that the ratio of sum of first n terms of GP to the sum of terms from n plus 1th to 2nth terms is 1 by r power n. You see now. Let the GP be a plus AR plus AR square plus dash dash AR power n. This is first n terms of GP. GP is two terms, first n terms plus it is AR power n plus 1 plus AR power n plus 2, okay na? Plus AR power plus dash dash AR power n plus n. Okay na? Before this one term is there. I will write it. It is AR power n minus 1 plus it is AR power n plus. There is no any confusion. Please observe. I am considering one equation, one GP that is containing two n terms. Here r power n plus n. Two n terms are there. You see, Nena? AR plus AR square plus up to this one only. AR power n minus 1 are n terms. These are n terms. From here to here, from n to 2n, there are another n terms. Totally there are 2n terms are there. Here very clearly, you see in the black letters, it is sum to n terms. By the problem, sum to n terms by that ratio is taken. It is a sum to n plus 1th term to, okay na, 2nth term, or simply the next sum to n terms. Sum to n terms, next sum to n terms. Simply we may write it as. Here you don't confuse that. I am writing n terms, but a power n is to be taken in this series? No. Only the black numbers, black letters are the GP containing n terms, because r power 1 is the second term. First term, second term, third term is r square. Nth term is r power n minus 1. We know it well. Here, first term is a power r power n, a r power n. The last term is a r power 2n, n plus n. Okay na? Here the thing is, separately if you consider it, a r power n blue letters. I am writing it in blue letters. That is a r power n plus a r power n plus 1 plus a r power n plus 2 and so on up to last a r power n plus n. We take a common a r power n. Okay na? Here is 1. Here also a is common, r power n is common. One more r is there. R power n into r none. R power n plus 1 is nothing but r power n into r power 1. Okay na? So here a is taken as common. A r power n is taken. So r is there here. Here r square is there, and so on up to here r power n is there. Will you agree? R power n into 1, R power n. R power n into R. R power n plus R power 1 means n plus 1. Similarly, n plus 2, n plus 3, n plus n. Is okay now? So, R power n of. This is again a GP. It is the first term is 1, ratio is R. So, it is 1 into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. Is it clear? You see, R power n, in the bracket, a GP is there. In this GP, A is the first term A, that is 1, and R is 1 into R into R square. Like that is going. Combination is R. A of R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. Like that, R power n minus 1 by R power n. Here only A is 1. So, at last, it is A R power n of R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. This is a second term sum, second series sum, okay, which are written in the blue. But this one is, we know it well, clearly. A R power n minus 1 by R minus 1, okay, na? It is related sum to n terms of GP. It's very clear. But here it is A R power n of R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. Okay, na? Extra is R power n is common. Okay, na? Don't confuse none. Here the first n terms series sum is a formula, no doubt at all. It is n terms of GP, which are in a black letter. Here the blue letters are the next n terms of GP. Very simply, next n terms. Separately, I consider that one separately. It is a separate one. I consider those second series. It is in the series, second part of the series. That is A power R, n plus 1, like that. If A R power n is common, here is 1, here is only R n. R power n plus 1 means already I told you. A R power n into R is there, that R will come. That R square, R cube. This part is somewhat different. We have to separately take that one and you solve it. Here it is, you see clearly, A R power n minus 1 by R minus 1 into, this is one ratio by another ratio. Here R minus 1 goes up by A R power n of R power n minus 1. R minus 1 cancels. R power n minus 1, R power n minus 1. So A remained in the numerator. In denominator, A R power n remains. A cancels 1 by R power n. That is what we ask there. Here only the problem is the consideration of the GP is 2 n terms. First n terms, black letters, second n terms, blue letters. For understanding purpose, I am writing like that. Okay, now? This is directly a formula, sum to n terms. Sum to the next n terms is that one. Okay, now? Right. So, it is over. The first one is. Now, I will tell the next. See, second one. It is also a somewhat different and a lengthy problem. If A, comma, B, comma, C and D are in GP, then show that something is. A, B, C and D are 4 terms which are in the GP. Okay, na? See, 25th. Let A, comma, B, comma, C, comma, D are in GP. That implies, I am writing a different way. A, comma, AR, comma, AR square, comma, R cube R in the GP. Like that we will take. So here first term is small a is capital A, small b is AR, small c is capital A, R square, small d is capital A, R cube. I am comparing. We are given there, we are given A comma B comma C and D are in GP. I am comparing. I am taking like that. Small a first term is capital A because A 2 times are come. B is AR which are in AP, GP. So A, AR square, AR cube. Like that I am taking. Where small a is capital A, small b is AR, small c is AR square, small d is AR cube. Like that I am taking. So here also it is clearly written. Okay, no? Yeah. Now LHS. A square plus B square plus C square into B square plus C square D square. What is A square? Capital A square. A small a is capital A. What is B square? A square R square. B itself is AR square. What is C square? AR square whole square. So AR power 4. It's okay na? C is R square. C square is A square R square whole square. R power 4. Here B square already written. And C square already is there. A square R power 4. And D square is D is AR cube. Square is A square, R cube means R power 6 will come. Okay, na? Now see, here A square is taken as common, 1 plus R square plus R power 4. You observe, only in the arithmetic only you have the doubts, not the concept. Arithmetic neither. Here A square is taken as common. If A square taken as common, here 1 is there, here R square is there, here R cube, R power 4 is there. Here A square, R square itself is common. Here 1 term, A square comes out. R square, R power 4, R square comes out. Again R square is there, R square and R square, R power 4. Here A square comes out. From R power 6, yes, R square if comes out, R power 4 is there. You see that? R square into R power 4, R power 6. A square is multiple. So here you see all our products A square into A square. It is a power 4. It is R square. And you see 1 plus R square plus R power 4. Here also same. It is 1 plus R square plus R power 4 whole square. Okay, na? Here also we will write it as A square into A square is A power A square whole square. R square is there. So it can be written as A square R, don't confuse, A square R of 1 plus R square plus R power 4 total whole square. Will you agree? Okay, na? A square whole square, A square whole square. R square is there. 1 plus something something whole square is there. So that can be written as like that. It is LHS. Okay, na? Again, I am taking RHS. What is RHS? AB plus BC plus CD whole square. What is AB? A is capital A, B is again A, R. What is B? A, R, C is A, R square. C is A, R square. D is A, R cube. I'll agree. You see. A, B, B, C, C, D. Like that I wrote it. It is A square R. A square R cube. A square R power 5 whole square. Here A square is taken as common. R also taken common. A square is everywhere is there. R also is there. So here one more r square is there, because from r cube, if r is taken as common, r square is there. From r power 5, r is common, r power 4 is there. Total square is there. Will you agree? Okay, let's see that. In the bracket, that term r square r, a square r is taken as common. Okay, now. So here also the RHS and LHS are same. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence the problem solved. Okay, now. So 24, 25 is over. Okay, I just pass. Okay, then. Two problems over. Next, 26th. Insert two numbers between 3 and 81 so that the resulting series is GP. A very good problem. Already we solved in one example, and this is important. Please observe. 26th. Let the given numbers be 3 and 81. Okay, no? Given numbers, not letter is not needed. Given numbers are 3 and 81. And we have to insert two numbers. Here, let the two numbers be G1 and G2. Here is important. G1 and G2. Okay, now, so that 3 comma G1 comma G2 comma 81 are in GP. If the series is resulting sequence is in GP, then they are called as a geometrical mean. Right? And we have to find those numbers. Here, okay, now, G1 is equal to, here first I will write it. A is 3, first number. A is 3. And G1 is equal to T2. G2 is equal to T3. 81 is equal to T4. Therefore, T4 is equal to 81. T4 means R cube is equal to 81. Here we know that 3R cube is equal to 81. R cube is equal to 327. 81 by 3. I will write it. 81 by 3 is 27. 27 is nothing but a 3 cube. So R cube is equal to 3 cube means R is equal to 3. Therefore, R is also 3. It is given. A is equal to 3 is already there. But by using this condition, the fourth term is 81. Through that one, R is a common ratio is equal to 3. Okay, yeah. Now, G1 is equal to T2 now. Already is there, second term. T2 means R. A means 3. R is also 3. So it is 9. G2 is T3 now. R square. 3 into 3 square. 3 into 9. It is 27. Okay then. Hence, the problem is over. We have to find those two numbers. One is G1, another is G2. Here G1 is 9, G2 is 27. Okay now? The question is given like that. Insert only two numbers. That means you find those two numbers. Okay now? Hence, at last you write it then. Hence, 3, 9, 27, 81 are in GP. 3 and 81 is given. Between those two numbers, 9 and 27 are inserted so that they are in a GP. Okay, na? Very good concept. Next, the last problem. Find the value of n. Find the value of n such that something is given, a power n plus 1 plus b power n plus 1 by a power n plus b power n. Maybe the geometrical mean between a and b. It also say